One of my favorite quotations about the gospel goes this way: the more we live the gospel, the more we understand it. And the more we understand it, the better we want to live it. Those helpful and inspiring words come from the late Cardinal Augustin Bea. Bea was a German Jesuit scholar. He was a biblical scholar, a theological author, and a very influential voice in Vatican Council II. Cardinal Bea was the first General Secretary of the Pontifical Council for Promoting Christian Unity. He was a scholar at the Pontifical Gregorian University, made a cardinal in 1959. He knew the scriptures, but he was foremost in the understanding of the church and in his own story as an ecumenist. Cardinal Bea is rightly assumed to be the primary or principal author of one of the most important sections of Vatican II and its documents, called Nostra Aetate. It is a document that deals with the relationship of Christian to Christian, but particularly Christian to other faiths and to no faith, and particularly the Christian relationship with the Jews. Cardinal Bea had a heart for unity. He gave his life and his scholarship to promote unity. He influenced the council, and through the council and his writings, he influenced the whole world. This man, Cardinal Bea, made a cardinal in 1969, was previously the confessor to Pope Pius XII. And so his background was deeply spiritual, deeply biblical, profoundly theological, and oriented toward the wholeness and fullness of a unified church and of personal and warm relationships with all people of all faith and no faith throughout the world. Cardinal Bea speaks to us today when he says, the more we live the gospel, the more we understand it. And the more we understand it, the more we desire to live the gospel.